GEUNDE WAE. Again, GEUNDE WAE. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about GEUNDE WAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 373. GEUNDE WAE. Again, GEUNDE WAE. This is composed of 3 syllables. The first one is kun, second syllable is de, and third syllable is we. Pronounce it with me. GEUNDE WAE. Again, GEUNDE WAE. The expression GEUNDE WAE is used to say, but why? Again, GEUNDE WAE is used to say, but why? How do we write GEUNDE WAE in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable, kun, we need to draw first a gyeok character, followed by an ud character, followed by a neon character. For the second syllable, de, we need to draw first a dikut character, followed by an e character. And for the last syllable, we need to draw first a placeholder or no sound iyung, followed by an o character, followed by an e character. Then we just need to combine these 3 to write GEUNDE WAE in Hangul. So here are some more information about the expression GEUNDE WAE. So GEUNDE means however or but, and WAE is used to ask why. So when we say GEUNDE WAE, it's the same as asking but why. So there are instances wherein we just needed to ask why, but there are also instances wherein we would also need to use but why. So most of the time, this expression is used when you have a strong feeling of knowing the reason behind something. So yeah, that's it. GEUNDE WAE. And with that, you've just learned GEUNDE WAE. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 363 to 372. Don't forget our word for today, which is actually a phrase. It's GEUNDE WAE, which means but why. The first word for our review is word number 372. It's 몰랐어, which means I did not know. Next word for our review is 잘했어, which means you did well or good job. Next word is 바쁘다, which means to be busy. Next word is 존댓말, which means formal speech. Next word is 단어, which means individual word. Next word is 병원, which means hospital. Next word is 똑같은, which means same. Next word is 피, which means blood. Next word is 반말, which means informal speech. And the last word for our review is word number 363. It's 미치다, which means to go crazy. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.